Hi, it's Dr. Martha Lucas with my podcast, Energy Medicine Woman. My website is acupuncturewoman.com. You can go there to make appointments, even telehealth, no matter where you are in the world. Chinese medicine can help you. Or you can email me at drmlucas@acupuncturewoman.com. That's DRMLUCAS at acupuncturewoman.com. This is episode 2 of a series called Cosmetic Acupuncture Works. I have a book with that title, Cosmetic Acupuncture Works, Your Guide to Cosmetic Acupuncture for Anti-Aging. But I wanted to go over some main points for you just in a podcast so you have this information if indeed you want to look a little younger. So I'll just call it Chinese medicine. It's really traditional Chinese medicine, but it's mostly referred to as Chinese medicine. One of the things about Chinese medicine is that it supports youth and beauty from the inside out. And that means that, number one, your practitioner or acupuncturist should be doing body points, taking your pulses and doing body points to determine the causes of premature aging and deal with them with acupuncture. And then we have what is called cosmetic acupuncture, which is needles that go into acupuncture points in the face or the neck if you're looking for a neck lift. But there should also be body points. Excuse me. So one of the things that we think in Chinese medicine is that your face, the color of your hair, whether you're prematurely gray or not, all of that on the outside reflects the status of your health on the inside. So for example, if you're in your 40s and already fully gray, you're having a little bit of premature aging. So what Chinese medicine can look at is your general health, and which is all about balance and harmony, right? The balance of yin and yang and the balance of energy, oxygen and blood flowing through your body. Is your digestion in balance? Are you having regular bowel movements? Any symptoms of sleep deprivation? So we're going to look at all of that because I mentioned digestion, because good digestion actually does help your skin look clearer and more vibrant. There's a perfect example of seeing beauty from the inside out. The problem is that, today, a lot of people have forgotten that, and they think that the youthful appearance comes from the outside, and because there are a gazillion procedures out there, right? Now, I'm going to talk about cosmetic acupuncture, which is the most natural procedure, but of course there's from the outside a surgical facelift or a neck lift or injections or chemical peels, all things from the outside. But remember, no matter what procedure you have done on the outside, the clock is still ticking. Your body is still going to age. So it makes sense to work from the inside out, for one thing, getting your digestion working better, getting your body more balanced. And Chinese medicine, this procedure called cosmetic acupuncture, works from the outside in. So when you come to my practice, when somebody comes to my practice and says, oh, I'm here for cosmetic acupuncture, I always tell them, well, good, because you're going to get the inside treated when I take your pulses and do the body points, and you're going to get the outside treated when I put acupuncture needles into your skin of the face or the neck to help your collagen and elastin grow. Now, cosmetic acupuncture has been used in some form in China for probably almost 4,000 years. They looked at the idea that what was going on in your inside was also showing up on your face, your lips, your skin. So again, they treated you from the inside and the outside. Now, also, according to Chinese medicine, all of our organ systems have something to do with aging. For example, we say that the lungs control the skin. So if you have a lung issue, lung dryness, or lung heat, it's going to show up on your skin. Also, all the other organ systems affect moisture of the skin. So if they're all in balance from getting acupuncture, eating well, meditating, getting some exercise, that's going to show up on your skin. But when they're not so healthy, that also shows up, and you don't you can see that your skin is more sallow or a little more gray or a little more wrinkly or a little more dry. So I just want to talk a little bit about the history of Chinese medicine and looking younger. Now, during what were called the Warring States, 770 to 221 BC, there was a classic book called the Shanhai Jun that was about herbal remedies for cosmetic purposes. So an herbal materia medica that included prescriptions for facial cosmetic results. And then as cosmetic procedures gained more popularity, we saw books during the Tang Dynasty, 1618 to 907 AD, that also included modalities for health, longevity, and beauty. The Li Shishen, he was a very highly esteemed physician, wrote a classic text about specific parts of the face and your complexion and wrinkles. And you've probably heard of facial diagnosis. Well, that comes from Chinese medicine. That is looking at the person's face, looking at the color of the face, looking at where they get blemishes, looking at the general look of the skin, and how we can do facial diagnosis about what's going on with the internal organs of your body. Now, I practice and teach a very specific form of cosmetic acupuncture called Mei Zen, M-E-I-Z-E-N. It means beautiful person. Why? Because we want to make sure that we treat the whole body, treat the whole person, not just focus on a wrinkle here, a wrinkle there. It's treating the whole person from the inside out and the outside in to help your skin maintain its youthful appearance. Now you'll notice I said maintain your youthful appearance. Well, women do come in their 30s and 40s before they have wrinkles and sagging to maintain that youthful appearance, which is smart. It's smart to do that instead of, sometimes we wait till our 60s or 70s and then want the practitioner to make all the wrinkles and lines go away. But if you are still young and listening to this, younger than your 60s or 70s, then you may want to consider a procedure like Mei Zen Cosmetic Acupuncture to maintain that appearance. Now, lots of people, frankly, don't care about whether a cosmetic procedure improves their health or not. All they want is the cosmetic procedure, just make me look younger. But when you choose cosmetic acupuncture, it is going to improve your health because we're using acupuncture points and channels to help what's going on in the face. So you will get reduction in fine lines. You'll get a leveling of deeper wrinkles, which means a deep line is not going to go away really, but it will look a lot smoother. And I tell you that the beginnings of jowls can be minimized. So again, if you're in your 70s and you already have what we call a waddle under your neck, then it's going to be, it's pretty impossible for acupuncture to make that extra skin go away. However, it is totally possible to help prevent jowls and prevent a sagging neck, because what cosmetic acupuncture does is improve the elasticity of the facial muscles and rejuvenate your collagen and elastin, which are the elastic protein parts of your skin that do decline with age. And that's why as we get older, our skin looks a little more saggy and maybe a little more wrinkly, because those collagen and elastin and the elasticity of the muscles does fade as we get over. It starts in its 30s. So as we get older, above and beyond our 30s, our skin, the things that we are important for not having any wrinkles, start to decline. Other things that can happen with especially Mei Zen Cosmetic Acupuncture is people see an improvement in acne and rosacea. I will try to share some before and after photos on my YouTube channel of acne. Oh my goodness, what a difference. A young woman came in with acne scars. They were, kind of red looking, and her skin looks just fabulous now, because your skin is going to be softer, more vibrant. It's going to get smoother. Your overall skin tone is going to look better. Like, for example, lots of times age spots go away because when we rejuvenate the collagen and elastin matrix, when we rejuvenate your dermis, it can help your skin not get so blotchy. So there you go. That's a whole nice list of results that you can get from cosmetic acupuncture. And partly why it's so effective is because it's balancing the body also. According to Chinese medicine, what it would be doing is bringing oxygen in blood, or what they call qi in blood, to the face, to the skin, and revitalizing it that way. But as I said, we're also balancing the, at least if you're receiving Mei Zen Cosmetic Acupuncture, we're balancing the overall energy in your body. And that is going to make your face look better. As I said earlier, if it improves your digestion, your face is going to look better. So from a Western medicine perspective, the needles are causing little micro traumas. And when the skin is damaged, it needs to send fibroblasts of collagen and elastin there. It can't resist doing it. It thinks it's damaged. A needle just went in. And even though it's a micro trauma, your dermis still responds. As I said, Chinese medicine talks about bringing qi and blood to the face. Well, we're moving the lymph so you don't have so much puffiness. And as I said, those micro traumas make collagen and elastin come there. And that is what is going to make your skin more plump. So I'm also going to talk at some point about taking care of your skin. You can't not moisturize after in your 30s. So I will be talking about, it's a lifestyle. Looking younger is a lifestyle choice. You get this healthy cosmetic procedure called cosmetic acupuncture, and then you go home and you take care of your skin. So the acupuncturist does his or her job by getting your skin to be more vibrant, revitalizing your collagen and elastin matrix in your dermis. And then the other part is for you. The other part is that you are going to have to go back home and manage your skin also, take care of your skin also, so that you can maintain that youthful appearance. So that's a little bit about cosmetic acupuncture and how it can help you get a youthful, glowing appearance, and that you will maintain at home. And I tell people to come once a month for maintenance for cosmetic acupuncture. All righty, this is Dr. Martha. Acupuncturewoman.com is my website. Energy Medicine Woman is my podcast. And my email address is drmlucas@acupuncturewoman.com.